Hinge repair and deep cleaning on Huawei BOD-WDI9 laptop. Thank you, Ma Ellen, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. We conducted a comprehensive hinge repair and full internal deep cleaning on the Huawei BOD-WDI9 laptop to restore both its physical structure and optimal performance. The unit was initially brought in due to a loose and unstable hinge that made opening and closing the laptop difficult and potentially damaging to the internal components and display panel. The repair process began with a careful and complete disassembly of the laptop. This allowed access to the hinge mechanism, internal display mounting points, and surrounding casing areas. Upon inspection, we found that the hinge had become detached from its original mounting points due to wear and pressure over time. To resolve this issue, we realigned the hinge, reinforced the mountings using high-quality industrial adhesive and bonding materials, and resecured it using proper tightening methods. Any minor casing cracks or internal housing misalignments around the hinge area were also corrected to ensure the lid opens and closes smoothly without additional stress on the chassis. Following the hinge repair, a full internal deep cleaning was performed. This involved removing all dust, dirt, and particle buildup that had accumulated inside the laptop over extended use. We focused especially on the cooling system, including the fan blades, heatsink fins, and air vents. Using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and vacuum tools, we cleared the pathways for proper airflow and heat dissipation. We also removed the old thermal paste from the CPU and applied a fresh layer of high-performance thermal compound to improve heat transfer and reduce operating temperatures. After the cleaning and hinge repairs were completed, the laptop was reassembled with care. Multiple diagnostic tests were conducted to ensure that the fan was operating efficiently, system temperatures were within safe limits, and the newly repaired hinge was functioning smoothly without resistance or looseness. The completed service significantly improved the laptop's physical durability and internal thermal performance. The Huawei BOD-WDI9 laptop is now structurally secure, safe to open and close without risk of damage, and running more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of overheating and extending its overall lifespan. Hinge repair and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.